Welcome to the high pressure die casting virtual training program. This is a truly revolutionary way to learn. Designed specifically for die casting professionals with the help of advanced virtual reality technology. This training let you practice and understand the HPDC process, preventive maintenance, safety protocols, and even how to troubleshoot defects, all in safe and realistic environment. This program is available in English, Hindi, and Marathi, and we can also customize it into the other languages to make sure it suits to your team's needs. Whether you are learning the theory or gaining hands-on experience, the content here is designed to connect directly with what you will face in real life. Let me tell you about the module. First, there is the HPDC process module. This one is all about getting the basic rights. You will learn how to set up dies, how to run the machine, preheat them, handle short sleeve and plunger tips, and even replace cooling pipes. You will practice cleaning and coating ladles, loading and unloading dies, and filling nitrogen. Basically, everything needed for smooth operations. It's also include more advanced steps like setting the first phase, second phase, third phase settings, understand slow speed versus valve operation, and even degassing metal for better quality casting. Next is the preventive maintenance model, which focus on keeping your equipment in top shape. It covers lubrication, filtration, hydraulic system, and even electrical system maintenance. You will learn to spot issues before they cause downtime. Safety is a big part of these two, how to stay safe while maintaining equipment and how to evaluate the machine performance to keep things running efficiently. Then comes the safety training module, which is all about avoiding risk and staying safe at work. You will learn how to handle hazards related to auxiliary equipment, machine guarding, and molten metal. It covers electrical safety, how to communicate about hazards properly, and even lockout tagout procedure. And of course, it's include proper use of PPEs to ensure you and your team are always protected. Finally, the defect troubleshooting module. This one is focused on improving product quality. It teaches you to identify common defects like porosity and shrinkage, figure out what causing them, and then fix the problem. You will even get the real world scenario to practice in simulated environment, so you can build confidence in solving these issues. What amazing is how to interactive this whole program is. It is not just about watching videos or reading instructions. You are actually in a virtual environment where you can learn by doing. Plus, it's available in multiple language, and we can adapt it to suit your organization specific needs. Another great feature is the HR dashboard. It lets manager track employee progress, see scores, and generate reports. This way everyone know where they stand and how to improve. The program work with proper VR headsets like Meta, and we prefer Meta, and our team is always available to help with any technical support. So this is a really game changer for die casting training. It makes learning safer, more efficient, and way more effective. If you would like to know more or see a demo, just reach out us. We would be happy to help you get started with the fantastic program. Thank you very much. Keep learning till life.